party.
No.
What? You dances like that.
I dance like that. Wrong with that?
Other than you. You don't count yet.
I vote for her.
I know, right? Did you just...
My camera star is not working properly because you keep on doing that. And then when you hit the pizza with it,
properly other than you?
huh? When you hit the pizza with it, oh yeah, it's getting stuck. It's sticking.
Allison! She's taking my stuff.
The bell just rang, and I hear people talking. Now, I have a little slip here filled out for almost everybody. Almost everybody is missing an assignment, at least one assignment in each of their class. Not everybody, but almost everybody. So, you should not be simply sitting around passing notes talking. You should be working on something. Most of these are for academic classes. So quietly get out the work that you need to be working on.